Hey! Just to let you guys know, the building is not on fire. Yeah, I'm sorry about this. I didn't do a vlog yesterday. I felt like doing one as soon as I got back, no matter what. And they're testing the fire alarms. Yay, that's fun. It's loud and annoying. My roommate just walked in, so the one outside our door is sounding off. What? It is really hard to do a vlog with that on. It's so loud. So how was your day? My day is great. Nothing like a loud fire alarm to set it off right. Oh my gosh. It just keeps going.
Do not lock that door because I'm leaving my keys in here.
Alright, I'll leave the door open. Gosh, that is loud. So yeah, how's your day? My day is great. So freaking loud. People outside my door are going nuts. It's weird. I don't know if I'll put this vlog up because they're shouting and everything. I'll have to play it back, see if I can hear it. Oh man. It's a loud fire alarm. Yeah. That's how my day. This summarizes how my day is. Shut up! Oh my gosh. Now they're being all loud and stuff. Great. No choice for me. So yeah. My day was great, I say again, because I really have nothing to talk to you about. Oh my gosh, the fire alarm is so distracting. So loud. I'm actually wondering if the building is on fire right now. Yeah, man. Well, you guys have a great day. Post a comment about fire alarms and other stuff. Alright. Bye.